seal, plastic wrap, everything. When they got to us, all the seals were broken, all the plastics were removed, and everything was ransacked.
Buju, hear me now. You and me know one another a long time. Thank you for all your efforts for the relief for Hurricane Melissa for the people of Jamaica. But if you have an issue, you can reach me. Give me the information and let me investigate it. Go public on social media and bring the effort into disrepute. It's not helping anybody. So, brethren, do better than that, man. We have had over 300 and odd, and I have never received one complaint from any of the international organizations and charities, much less the governments of other countries. Through Minister Grange.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and as you can see, pan on the screen, JLP, Daryl, Minister of Energy, or whatever, response to Buju Banton basically calling him a liar because you heard it in the beginning of the video. Everything did plastic wrap and seal and all of these stuff. This is what I say. I know Daryl, I say everybody they pick up them things. And things, and no one in the cosign, he said nothing was missing. Only for Buju Banton to come out and say things are missing. People putting out the comment section where you think about them, because me catch Daryl in a lie. And if it's a mistake, it's a crucial mistake in this investigation, because as you can see, the people that miss saying in that case, then maybe the missing items were, you know, disturbed from overseas before loading for departure. No, Daryl is basically saying packing lists and custom lists were identical. Items were also sent by Barrington Levy, and he is the sender on record. People putting out the comment section where you see on your screen, because it clearly says Barrington Irving. And if you know anything about Barrington Levy, his name is Barrington Ainsworth Levy. As you can see, Buju Banton is standing up next to Barrington Irving, the American Jamaican pilot. This is what I say. So to me, I don't want to say Mr. Vaz didn't do a thorough investigation, but this was a crucial mistake. I know you're trying to make Barrington Levy look like, say, Ray Tay, lay. Put in the comment section where you think about that. Because Daryl, I work hard for make it look like the government not to fraud. And we already know all the thing go when a customs and when you send things in Jamaica, where the things upon the list, things still missing. This is what I say. I know they're definitely making this thing a political one. I've been saying that for the past couple of days. This is what I say. And you see Mr. Vaz mentioned it. You know what I mean? And this is why Buju Banton doubled up with what I say. You see me? And if you want, you can press pause and read it yourself. But those who don't, let me read it out for you. So what you say, Mr. Vaz, with all due respect, I can see that you remain unaware of how things went, as we just explained with the name Mixup business. The goods were not taken from the plane to our trucks, but instead taken from the plane to an area we had no sight of. And on one day, day one, our persons waited for 7+ hours for the clearance of the items and for the trucks to be loaded. On day 2, same thing happened, with the only difference being, you know, the time they took to get, you know, stuff from customers and all of this stuff. Seals were broken, and then they were taken. I have no reason to create mischief nor make up stories. As usual, you have tried to make this a political one. And for your information, the packages on the flight. For PMP NPs, yeah, donors, I allowed them, you know, the space on the plane, as this is about Jamaica and not about PMP and JLP. You see what I say? All are suffering. Yeah, the reality is the system is broken. If you took the time to read the comments under my post, you would realize that. Though I may have been the first public figure to come forward with this issue, I am not the first person to have experienced it. The common thread continues to be a lack of accountability and trying to shame and blame the persons who speak out. It is extremely disappointing that this is, you know, the attitude and the approach you have chosen to take. But not surprising.
Yes, me am put it. I'm still gonna eat on blood clots. Boy. Oh shit!
Yeah, put in the comment section where you think about that. I know you see why Daryl is out here. Looking like he's doing a good job. You see me, because we remember what happened before election. You see my people. I'm not going to tell you no lie, man. Big up the dancehall artists. We're seeing a lot of uno, out there. Helping on the friends and families, and we're seeing a lot less people from uptown doing the same, and it's supposed to be out of many one. Yeah. But I'm not falling in at them desolate places there. You see me, I say, so I'm not really too business. So I don't know what time it is. We don't really know who is here for honor and who is not. And you know who's going to be buying on the plots of land because I'm the land title. You see me, I say, and this is why police should really be easy on the dancehall artists then, because we say, well, not getting no assistance from who. Nevertheless, people, Foota Hype is fixed. No, dancehall selector Foota Hype said, the government is fake, and they definitely don't like dancehall artists, especially the ones them that, power with the maroons them. As you know, Daryl Voss has a history of saying fake news and fake news that when we know I did it. You see my people, put in the comment section where you think about that, because Foota Hype don't like the way or Daryl Voss deal with political business like some bad man business. But Buju and him bridging and for call him and not report things to the necessary authorities. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Me hear you say a thing, say. From one either voice note or call or something. I say, yeah, and Buju been a link for years, and why Buju never call you? Why should Buju call you? You hear a Dan? You Dodos? You Zeeks? Me never know say a gang gonna run. Me never know say a bad man business. Say Buju lose him thing and call you. No, Buju lose him thing at the wharf. Why Buju say a call you privately about a public matter? Then you are gonna say, you know like, oh Buju, I deal with it. Are you Buju that say nothing to? Are you homeless? Are you mud full of house? Are you not on a house tap? Are you not on a generator? Are you don't even have a cup soup to drink? What kind of obligation Buju owe you to lose him thing them and call you now? And that me I try to understand. Who is you? Them politicians here get out of blood clot and who is you, Mr. Vaz? That's Buju gonna lose him thing them down a wharf. And if call you in a private, to talk about him things them when him lose. Who is you? When you don't get that feeling here, say you know a God. When them politicians here get the feeling say them a God. I'm telling you something, politician. Telling you this blood clot. Can you go on like say, you think on a God. You see the warrior spirit of the Jamaican people, it is sleeping. It is not dead. You might have a veil over the people, them eye, but at some point, the veil are gonna lift. Who is you? Daryl, we never like what you do with the bus them. We never buy the bus them or get the bus them free and a robbery. You did call Buju and say, Buju Banton, what go on? Me a link from a longer time. You know, I'm out to buy some old bus. You come on, chop a food, But I go buy the bus them and then I go tell them say this and this. I make Buju say, no, you. And the people them thing, buy some good bus. You did do that? You did call Buju and ask him if it's a good idea to buy the old bus them? You did call Foota Hype or Shaggy or Chantal or none of we, uno business but entertainer? Ask yourself this question, Daryl Vaz. If you're uno alone, Jamaica would have on the worst shit bucket list in the world. An artist come, blood clot take shame out of your eye. Who is you? So you come chat to Buju, sir. Who is you? Me tell you already, say me and blood clot Andrew Holness come off our plane in Miami. And we in a little, New York. And we in a little bus them, where them carry to the next terminal. Nobody know Andrew that. And me, everybody are ill. Me a bigger star for Andrew. Daryl, you can't walk in a Buju shoes. Nah, berries, nah, no, do for the country where we do all under our teeth. After what artists do, after that hurricane here, you come out and talk to Buju Banton, sir. You load that vase, you load that plane yet? You load that IS bus yet? You buy 1 dozen spice bun and some cheese, send a country yet? You buy a bag of rice, send away yet? So the blood clot you feel like if you out of your place, attack to Buju, sir. But you not like, oh, Buju deal with it. What you mean? Buju fi deal with it worse than that. How worse than that, the man fi deal with it. I remember me and Buju in the dealings, me a free Buju, me want to keep that in mind all the time. Me a free Buju, because Buju style me. And I book my film show them on my backs. But who is you? After the hurricane and no politician no fi talk to no artist no way. Uno figure blood clot, sit down. Uno figure sit down. And that me a telling you. Yeah, a twist face foot I telling you this. Yeah. Me see a man, me not dead. I'm a voice, I work. I'm say Buju write something about respectfully, Daryl, respectfully a bomb clot. I want to hear Buju not afraid of no politician. We all up the country, entertainer all up the country. Not afraid of none of them. Not afraid of none of them with a labor right or PNT. Who is Daryl Vance? Come. Alright. Want to notice the energy we have towards Buju? Want to notice the energy we have towards Buju? Me tell you, say them labor right here don't like artists. Them labor right here don't like artists. Any artist me see aside with labor right just now in a sense. Me sorry for Massacre and Skillyweng them and my little brother Joshina. We say them a die at the labor right, you know. Uno na pre, you know. Uno na look what go on, you know. Not because a politician link with you one. And a link with you. Yeah, run with the party, because the party fight your industry. The party fight your thing. Big up my brother. Rise and toast. Oh man. Them on the love Labour Party, but me know him shame right now. And I'm my brother for life. You understand what I say? Big up Rise and toast. Buju there this Sunday. And Buju are the special guest this Sunday. But them disrespecting you have to stop. Who is Daryl Vaz? You don't load not even a carton box or cup soup. Go give a body. None of the politicians don't spend not even $1 out on a pocket. But you're ready to come disrespect a man who spend millions of dollars, book plane, send him thing to Jamaica and it missing. You, before you even claim to you do investigation, I say you not like what Buju I say, and I lie Buju I tell. And everybody else up on the live here knows if you understand, there's been complaints about things going missing. Anybody else can vouch that and know say, you have a lady, I must say England, she come from and they are custody the suitcase, then reach a Jamaica with something, and then pull them and take out the thing them. So all you come disrespect Buju. And I talk like you're a bad man. Or you're done for Buju. But you should have linked me. Link you for what? Who is you? Who is you? You run your yard. You can tell the man how to react. And the man lose him thing then. Or you got to tell the man what kind of emotional reaction him have for something like this. Uno feel like uno untouchable, you know. Uno feel like uno a god, you know. Remember, the Jamaican warrior spirit is not dead. It is dormant. For those who don't know what dormant means, it means it's sleeping. It's not dead. Uno don't wake that spirit there in Jamaican people let me hear. Remember, say all know. Some place in Jamaica not see no politician at all, you know. Not one, you know. So all you come address Buju in a way like you're a style man. On top of the man, spending money, get him link them to help do what them I do, sending the thing them, and the thing them get violated. And the first thing you can do, adjust the man in a styling matter. How you have to do that? How you have to do that? You should have deal with Buju with respect. You should have come out and make a public statement and say, listen, we are going to open investigative inquiry right now for the situation here. All workers and that and staff for that shift immediately suspended pending the investigation. And they are suspended without pay until we come to a conclusion. At that if you say, oh you come and diss the man and I call the man liar. And I say nothing don't go so. Who is you? That's why me I tell the artists them say, Any benefit concert where the government a keep, none of them enough a blood clot go. Some of the artists want broke up to, you know. Want to get to the hand broke on the foot broke, you know, and not a sense. You don't know if you unite. You don't know when a time for unite. If it's a private entity that keep the benefit concert, you no go. Any of the Jamaica government that keep the benefit concert, now go nowhere. None of them enough a blood clot go. None of them. But someone who want rub shoulder with politician and kiss politician ass like on an idiot. As long as a Jamaica government that keep the benefit concert, on enough, it go nowhere. If it's a private entity, if a Sharonberg, if a CJ Milan, if a Butterfuka, if a Jabba, if a Platinum Kids, if a Footer Eye, anybody where I do private things, support, don't support no government blood clot, benefit concert, you know, idiot. One country just give Andrew Wellness them $1 billion. You go check the news. Yesterday and get $1 billion from one company. I think it's a Chinese company or a Japanese company. What are the benefit concert for? What are the benefit concert for? Make it make sense. Why would you do a benefit concert for the Jamaica government right now? Why? That more I know. Why? Look how quick they're ready to disrespect artists. Artists are the ungle unit will come out full 100. From Beanie to Spice to Shaggy, Chantwal, Ja Vinci, Cartel, Movado, D'Angel, Turbulence. Come on now. Come on now. I'm Mr. Flavor McGregor, a load up plane with Starlink and food and generator and beer something. So, who is Daryl Vaz to talk to an artist right now? Because I don't rate Jamaican people, I don't rate Jamaican entertainer. You're ready to jump up, boy, you do press conference about Buju. Thing when him say, look, you know, you do a whole press conference, you know, about Buju thing, you know. But you can't find time to go down to Westmoreland, you know. And you can't find time to go down to Hanover, you know. Me no see you go St. Elizabeth in the camera crew, and I walk through the mud. I be at ENT, me say I walk through mud, you know. This is not politics, but me I talk the truth now. See? I be at ENT, me say I walk through mud. What the girl name? The thick one with the fat front. What's she name again? The PNT girl with the she has some sexy jeans more time. What's she name? Cause she knew me not to remember her name. Me say Lisa Anna. Me see the one named Flight Green. I must can go in. I must can go in. And then me see him itch up behind Lisa too. So me no see him do nothing. Oh, Nikisha Birchell. And she me see pan bike back, I ride through river, and I walk in a mud, and I do the thing. Whether really, all know me no see Oris Chang. Moby mash up, and me no see Oris Chang all know. Me say, Moby mash up, and me no see Oris Chang all know. Imagine how Moby people them feel about Labor. Imagine how them feel.
Put in the comment section what you think about that. At the end of the day, people, it could be a political move. So hopefully Buju recorded everything that he put on the cargo plane that can refute these claims. Because, you know, if it's not on the manifesto, then it not there. And we already know all the things go if it not there. And it did that on the manifesto, right? Right. People don't understand that Andrew Holmes and Mark Gold and their brethren, they're on the same side. They're working for the crown. That's why the laws of the crown is still around, don't they? Right? Now, these are the people that's going to benefit from the $3.5 million loan because they have like 100 land titles. So you do the maths on that, right? Versus how much people really have them land title. And you know, black people were known as squatters after you know what. And them life haven't changed one bit. Mr. Ma said, these are the people that's going to profit from the 400 million cash donations because the government have no bread factory. So them have to buy the bread from somewhere to feed on, don't it? And guess who owns these factories? You guessed it. Them and them friend. You know what I mean? So, you know, black people really just have to wake up and get themselves together, you know. But we're not going to longer this no longer. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to notify when I drop the latest though. Bless.